Hello. Thanks for joining. My name's Jeff Demuth. I'm a solutions architect at AWS. I've been with AWS for about 8 years on our geospatial specialty team based out of Austin, Texas. In the last video, I posted how to easily, or at AWS, we like to say one-click, migrate from Oracle to Postgres using ArcGIS Pro. The next question I always get from customers is, well, what does performance look like? So in this video, I'm going to do a quick demonstration with one of Esri's geoprocessing tools called Hotspot Analysis. We'll go ahead and jump into it. Search for Hotspot Analysis. And we'll select our database. And we'll use a smaller data set here. So this has got 63,000 features, and we'll go ahead and click Run. So this should take about a minute to run. All right, there we go. It took about 1 minute, 11 seconds to run. So let's go ahead and test the Postgres database now. So we'll go here and select Postgres. And click Run. And this should be right around the same amount of time. We'll let this run. And there we go. We can see Postgres 1 minute 14 seconds, so 2-3 seconds longer on the Postgres. So I was curious, kind of what that would look like on a larger table. In the last video, I used this OSM Places. It had about 900,000 features in it. And so I've run this on that table as well. We can see with Oracle, it took 11 hours, 23 minutes on the Oracle instance here. Then on Postgres, we can see it was 11 hours, 14 minutes. So it actually came in a little bit faster on Postgres with the larger data set. That was about 900,000 features. And for the instances on these, the Oracle's running on an R6i 2XL, which is an Intel instance, and then the Postgres instance, this is Postgres Aurora, is running on an R6G Graviton, which is our custom AWS Graviton processors, 2XL. And then I did test this with Postgres running on an R6i 2XL instance as well. It came in kind of around the same as 11 hours and some change, so they were all pretty comparable. And then something to call out here. So if you look at the R6i 2XL instance, it's about 50 cents an hour. Gives you 8 cores, 64 gigs of RAM. On the R6G 2XL, it's actually 40 cents an hour, so it's 10 cents cheaper. It gives you 8 cores, 64 gigs of memory. And these Graviton instances, we like to say they're more a little environmentally friendly. They have lower power consumption, so it's a nice processor. The other call out is when you move from Oracle to Postgres is you're saving on those licensing costs. So you could take those licensing cost savings and apply that to have a larger Postgres machine. So if you were hitting bottlenecks on CPU or memory or disk or network, you could take those cost savings and add whatever you needed. If you needed more CPU, more memory, more network, or anything like that, you could bump that instance size up. So going to keep this video pretty short, but feel free to comment if you've got any questions or if there's any other geoprocessing tools you'd like me to test out. Thanks for joining.